Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-02295 error in Oracle database 12c. I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called c##code. Make sure that you have enough SQL enough permission to execute the SQL queries. So now what I am going to do, I am going to alter the table. I am going to alter the table called master table to disable the constraint. So I am going to disable the constraint. So I am typing some query randomly. Okay, so ORA-02295 found more than one enable or disable class for constraint. See here, what is the problem here? I have mentioned disable constraint and enable constraint same time in this SQL query. So now I am going to correct the SQL query. So whatever I told in beginning, so I am disabling the constraint called pk underscore employee number 2. So now you can see that alter table executed correctly.